So hello friends, welcome back to another video. So there are multiple new updates coming from the Wipro side. So yesterday many candidates received multiple updates from the Wipro. Some received the pre-orientation session mails or some received actual training start mail. So in this video I will clear which role candidates received the which type of mails from the Wipro and what is in the pre-orientation session, because many candidates got confused between the pre-orientation session mail and in the training start mail, and those people who got the pre-orientation session mail when they got their LOI, and what are the next steps after the pre-orientation session mail, and what is the expected date for the actual training. So all these things I will discuss in this video, so don't skip any part of this video, and without wasting any time let's get started. So here in the screen you can see these type of emails the candidates who received yesterday. So the first mail is a different mail. This is a training start mail and received by the different people, and this mail is a different mail which is pre-orientation session mail, and this mail was received by the different people. And the third mail is a different mail which is a training start mail, and this mail is also received by the different candidates. And there is also a different mail, but I don't have the screenshot right now. That mail is also a training start mail, and their training is also going to start on 10th July. The difference is that in this mail the training partner is RPS Consulting, but for them the training partner is Great Learning. Only the difference is training partner. So let's discuss about these mails one by one. So this is the mail received by the WILP candidates, and this is the actual training start mail. So here you can see that it is clearly written, welcome you to the Wipro NextGen Associate Program starting from the 10th July. So it means this is a training start mail, and in this mail basically the RPS Consulting is the partner to deliver this training. And also in this mail the training schedule is also given, like the learner orientation session link and the session timing will be 10th July 2025 from 8:45 am to 9:45, and after this session they have to attend the training sessions or the online classes from 10:15 am to 5:45 pm on daily basis. And for the WILP candidates I want to tell you, I have made a separate video in which I have discussed about the real training experience of a WILP candidate, so you can watch that video. I have mentioned that video in the I button as well as in the video description. So before starting the training you can watch out that videos and you can take an idea how the training process is going on. And now moving forward to the next mail. This is the mail the elite candidates received this mail yesterday, and also currently there are two types of hiring running for the 2024 batch. One is Elite Off Campus 2024 hiring, and the second is Elite Exclusive 2024 hiring. The Elite Off Campus hiring is only for the 2024 batch, but Elite Exclusive hiring for 2023 as well as 2024 batch. And both hiring candidates received this mail yesterday. And when they received LOI, so they received LOI recently in May and June, and they received this type of mail yesterday. So let's discuss about this mail in details. This is the invitation for the pre-orientation session that will be scheduled on 10th July. It is written, we are pleased to invite you the upcoming pre-orientation session. This session will help you understand the structure and expectation for the pre-skilling training. So many candidates confused, they are thinking this is the actual training start mail. I want to tell you this is not the actual training start mail, but this is only the pre-orientation session. And in past there are multiple candidates those who received this type of mail, and after this mail they received the actual training mail. But when you can expect the training mail, I will discuss it later. So firstly discuss about what is in pre-orientation session. So firstly you have to understand this is not the actual training start mail, this is only the orientation session mail. And what they will talk about in this orientation, so basically they will talk about training process, like talk about the Wipro and also talk about the training program, what are the multiple domains in the Wipro NGA training, and also how many days of training, what are the different training partners who deliver the training for the candidates on behalf of Wipro. They also take attendance for this orientation session as per the previous candidates. They also received a survey form during the orientation session, and they have to fill that survey form. Simply in the survey form they have given some technologies and you have to fill your preferences according to your technical skill and experience in that technology, and the joining link is given in the mail. Simply you have to click on the link and you have to join pre-orientation session, and it is also mandatory to join this pre-orientation session. And now is the most important part. What is the next step after the pre-orientation session mail, or what is the expected date of the training after the pre-orientation session? So usually within 7 to 15 days they will start the training sessions after this orientation session. But again it also depends on your luck. If your luck is good, then you will get your training mail very soon. Otherwise you will have to wait, because when the new training batches will create, you will get your turn, and based on this process you will get your training. So there are multiple candidates who receive this mail, but in a single training batch the number of students will be 30 to 40 as per the previous data. So they can create multiple training batches for you and you have to wait for your turn, and once you will get your training start mail, then they will start your training. So next, moving forward to the last mail. So this mail was received by the WILP and elite candidates, and this is also the actual training start mail. So in this mail basically it is written, welcome you to the Wipro NextGen Associate Pre-Skilling Training Program starting from the 10th July 2025, and RPS Consulting is the training partner to deliver this training, and they will share all the training plan and necessary links to the candidates. And here you can see the orientation start date 10th July 2025 and from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. and after the orientation session they will start your training session. The training session starts from the 10th July itself from 10:15 a.m. to 5:45 p.m. So this is the actual training start mail, and the session days will be Monday to Friday, and occasionally if required you may be required to join the Saturday also, and they will communicate in advance if they will take any classes on Saturday. And also attending all the sessions, continuous assessment, participation and qualification in the capstone project is mandatory to clear this training. And if you are also waiting for your training and want to know about the real training experience, so I have already made the training videos you can check out in this channel. The videos link will be given in the description and also in the I button, and you will take an idea how is the training process going on, how many rejections in the training, and what are the different domains. So I hope you find this video helpful. Make sure you like the video and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for the latest updates regarding the Wipro. Let's meet in the new video. Thank you guys.